General Electric reporting better than expected earnings today on a very downwardly revised set of analysts. This is a good day. But despite the success, as you can see, GE shares failing to reverse. I don't know why I'm laughing. It's not funny. They're down 62 cents at 13.11. Charlie Gasparino.
Talking about lipstick.
Here to tell us. Will you let me at least introduce you? Charlie Gaspo here. What's next for GE? Come on.
GE did try to put lipstick on the pig today.
Yes.
I think the CFO has been on the tape talking about how everything but the power business is doing great.
Yes. What else can they do?
Yeah, I guess. Listen, this is still a company in trouble. I mean, here's the thing: we destroyed CNBC on this story a couple months ago when we said that GE was considering, because these continued profit and cash flow woes, because of those, they were considering cutting the dividend even more. The next day or 2 days later, David Faber came out of CNBC and said they have no plans to cut the dividend. About 2 weeks after that, the CEO, John Flannery, came out and said they're going to adjust the dividend, i.e. cut it.
As you said.
As we said. And the real question, I think, now going forward is how much they're going to cut the dividend. And, you know, here's the
so where's the good news in any of this?
Listen, the good news is that they're getting it down to a core of profitable businesses.
Right.
The bad news is they still have a cash flow problem, and they still have an unfunded liability in their pension. Remember, GE used to be a much bigger company. They're still big, but they're much bigger. They have hundreds of thousands of ex-employees that are tapping into this pension.
GE Capital.
And
massive overhang.
On top of that, too, they still have that overhang. So you have cash flow problems. You have the ability. You need to sort of grow the businesses. They think they're getting it down to a core where it can grow. But before it gets there, you know, you need money, and I think the only way you could get money is through cutting the dividend more. And I think that's what this shows. That a lot of the reason why people are blowing out the stock today, even despite the positive spin that the company's putting on, is that that this dividend is going to be cut maybe dramatically. Now, here's the real question: if you cut it, if you eliminate it. Right. Certain portfolio managers can't buy it, certain mutual funds, and that would be a problem for them. So I think there is a theory that they're going to cut it to a penny or something like that,
just so they can stay in a portfolio.
Just to stay, just to say they still are dividends or something something marginal along those lines. And I think that's the real issue here. I mean, because it looks like the street is saying, this thing is going to be cut dramatically, and it's, listen, it's a sad commentary on one of the great American companies.
But we still have investors that come on our shows and say, you know what, I'm getting in at $13 because, to your point, once they get down to the core, they are profitable, and there is a way back.
But you still have that unfunded liability.
Yeah, that's true.
And I think that's what everybody is judging. And listen, if it's a $9 stock, maybe it's a growth stock because it could go to 13. That's when you start buying.
Yeah.
But it's still at 13. And listen, Flannery has a plan. He's not a stupid man. The one thing I will say is that he's a lifer of GE, and there's almost a cult-like personality among these guys about keeping the core GE together. And you wonder why. Well, maybe he should be like selling off all the units, just disbanding the whole thing right now into separate companies, which was on the table at one point.
Fascinating to follow, though. But boy, how far has it fallen?
Yeah, and whose fault it is? I don't believe it's Jack Welch's fault. Jack was there a long time. He built the company up, maybe handed a company that was wrong for the times when Jeff Immelt ran it. But Jeff Immelt had a long time, 16 years, I believe, to figure it out, and he didn't. All
right, we'll have to leave it there. Charlie, great to have you back from Italy, by the way. I thought you'd open up our new bureau over there and settled in.
Yeah, I mean, Magic Company, by the way, they're not big fans of Trump. And, some are, some aren't. Yeah, everything involves Trump.
But they are big fans of good food, and I know that's what you're a good fan of. So, Charlie, thank you very much. Appreciate it.